So let's see if we can get this open. I believe it's really stuck on there. I'm gonna use a breaker bar. Sorry, wrong direction. Get a lot of power. And how can we get the wheels to... Oops. It's not going well. Come on. This was hard. I'll get back when I get it open. If I get it open. So I painted the rim here for burglary protection, thief protection, to make it a little bit more hassle for them. I know the people doing this, they usually steal stuff and then they exchange things and so on. So, but this will make it a bit more troublesome for them. Anyway, it was really stuck, this bolt, really hard. So I had to make this, to get it. You see, I have to saw it out. But now I have finally gotten it loose. So I think I will paint it and check the brake pads, see if I have to order new. Okay, so I remove the wheel. Maybe I have to loosen these screws here. We'll see. To me, they look pretty okay. There's still pretty much left. So we'll just clean it up a bit, since the brake dust can make some sound. So I don't know if you can hear, but can you hear? It's fluid in here. Is it puncture fluid maybe? But maybe that explains some of the wobble. How do I get it out? Well, it's not enough to just get it out through there, but yeah, it explains the wobble maybe. Some Chinese branding. I don't know what it is. If you know, please comment in normal language, English. See if I can do this. Yeah, now I can clean it a bit easier. So yeah, by the way, I broke my old one when I had to use so much force to get this one off. So it doesn't work correctly, it doesn't just clicks and so. So it's about time to replace it. It wasn't that expensive. This has to be tightened really hard, as you know. Should have an impact wrench, but I don't have it. So I'm gonna have to use the same technique again, put a wood inside. And try to not damage anything. So this will come here. It will hit that. What will it break? There we have it. I don't want to over tighten it since I'm gonna try to replace the tire. So maybe that will do. But it should be tight, hard, like 100
You try to understand how a touch can cause explosions.